Well, I got baked potatoes going on in the Weber Kettle. Feel like, you know what? Let's do a pretty good cook today, an easy cook. So, baked potatoes, and then at the end, a prime one sirloin steak. Can't beat that, right? That's gonna be a delicious dinner. So, I'm gonna let this kettle go, and then when it's time, we'll cook that steak. We're close to 350. Yeah, so I'm trying to keep it from 350 to 375, just keep it at that temp. And I know this isn't something where it's a large cut of meat, or uh, it's just it's a baked potato. It's a potato, but I still think that I'll bring you along on this journey. Well, that's where I have it at right now, and then we'll see if essentially how long it takes, to soften up and to the point where I like them, and then I'll get that steak on. Alright, so you can see it's still around between 300 and 350. Didn't close it down just a tad bit, but I just want to see what my briquettes look like. It's still hard, but that right there, I'm gonna have to add some more, because eventually that's gonna go out. Then if you have anything you can to actually grab onto the charcoal basket, you can kind of just shift it around to knock off all the ash. But I ain't got nothing like that right now, but I'm just gonna let it roll like that. But yeah, so they still feel tough. I'll temp it after another hour. I'll temp it to see where the internal temperature's at. But just let it ride. We're at close to 375. But like I said, let's temp it. Oh yeah, we hit the number right there. Actually, they feel pretty good. They softened up a lot, so they're almost done. Oh yeah, we hit that number again. It's done. Look at that probe tender. But yeah, they're getting there. Oh yeah, but looking good. B&B, well, there's some big potatoes. Alright, I'm gonna leave it on for a bit more, and then it'll be done. That's beautiful sirloin steak. Right there. Let it cook. Alright. Get it right there. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's done. It's time to take it off. It came right apart. That was a pretty good cook. Easy cook. Baked potatoes, let them go. It was 2 hours and 30 minutes and they were done. And then the steak. Oh yeah. Flavorful, juicy. Just the way steak should be, right? Now this was good. I liked it because it was just easy. Nothing to it. So, you got your Weber or any other grill. Get your baked potatoes, get whatever steak you want, and just cook. Just have a great time. Well, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna end this. I gotta get inside because it's time to eat. So, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Smells like steak in the garage.